Papuntang Skyway. Lalabas na kami ng Maynila, ay Bulacan, Marilao, Bulacan. Tapos nito, mabilis lang ang biyahe namin. Kasi hindi na sila naligaw. Dire-diretso na. May load na ang aming ano. RFID ba yun? Nautal ako dito eh. Yan, pinaludan ko na ng ano, todo-todo para walang kaba-kaba. Yan, diba mga guys? Abala kasi pag walang load, kung saan-saan tayo napila.
Keep on wishing. Thank you, wishers. Wish 1075. Number one.
Hi wishers, this is Tel. For your favorite hits, always tune into Wish FM 1075. Wishers, keep on wishing.
Haba nito ah.
Welcome back to the wish list, and you still got me your DJ Faye, your afternoon date. It's also time for our Fill in the Wish List segment, and our topic for today is I always pray for blank. Alvin Ramos said, I always pray for the safety of my father while he drives every day. Hello DJ Faye, please greet my father Charlie Ramos
Ito na
and all
naman.
the UCB members. Keep safe while on the road.
Bayaran na naman dito.
Miss Carolina de los Reyes, and she said, hello DJ Faye, I always pray
Bayaran
for
ulit.
my family and my loved ones.
Maraming
safety.
bayad dito.
John
Kaya lang
Aaron said,
maganda
I
dito,
always
walang
pray
traffic.
for my family's well-being. Here, Chef Makati, I always pray
Ang
for
taas
you to
nitong
smile
building na
more
ito.
and worry less.
Ha?
Cal said, hello DJ Faye, I always pray for the life of my family. Also, hello to my workmates, Jamaica Leslie, Mary Chris Santos, and Asper Sayan Molyari. Thank you so much for tuning in today, wishers. Ms. Rosie Santos said, I always pray for my son's good health, happiness, and career. And then Rob Sanin said, I always pray for peace. And thank you so much, wishers, for those answers. And just a sweet note,
May bayad
prayer
dyan.
fosters a sense of peace, grounding your heart and mind, and instilling
Bang-bang.
hope even in the toughest times. It makes you realize that you're not alone in this journey. It gives you peace and assurance that everything will be okay because prayer changes
Dito.
things. Okay? And also, wishers, let's be friends. You can follow me on
Padadaanin tayo
Wish
dito.
1075, Instagram at DJFay1075. And also, please do like my Facebook page,
So,
DJ
pag walang bayad, sasarahan tayo. Ayan. Tingnan natin.
I also want to say
Oh,
hello and thank you so very much
diretso.
to my friend partner,
884.
Josh Nails,
Ang
for
laki,
always
ang malaki ang bayad dito, ano?
process for relaxing my senses.
Hindi,
Indeed, the best when it comes to nail
sa
care is
card.
alignment.
Kaya nga.
Also, follow them on Instagram.
Kanina ay 1,000 ano ka mo? 70.
1,000 gano'n lagi na ano, di ba?
Oh, 1,000.
But for the meantime, wishers, let's get you back to the music with Burnout. Only here
Skyway na ito.
Oo, tapos papasok ulit tayo NLEX.
Ah, may mayroon pa tayo papasukan ng NLEX.
Balintawak. Tapos lumabas na tayo Manila, ngayon, ati na. Para walang traffic.
Ayan. Madilim ang kalangitan, makapal ang ulap. Parang may ulan ngayon na malakas na parating. Ingat tayo mga guys.